Hello everyone. Recently, this method of making fried tofu puffs has become really popular. It's fragrant, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. The recipe is also very simple, and with just a few yuan, you can make a hearty main dish. I bought these fried tofu puffs for 3 yuan at the market. We use scissors to cut open one corner of each tofu puff. This helps them absorb the flavors better. Just like this is fine. With this method, the dish won't have any tofu residue, and the shape will look especially nice. Prepare 50 cents worth of pork belly and cut it into thick slices. Add the pork belly. This makes the dish even more flavorful. Prepare a few fresh green onions and carefully cut the white parts into small uniform sections. Then cut the green parts of the onions into longer, more substantial pieces. Next, prepare exactly 20 grams of fresh ginger and thinly slice it. Finally, slice 3 cloves of pungent garlic. Then prepare 5 small chili peppers and cut them into rings. If you don't like spicy food, you can leave this out. After cutting, place them on a plate. Prepare an appropriate amount of washed Chinese cabbage, cut it in half, and then slice it diagonally. You can also add other vegetables according to your taste. After cutting, put them in a bowl. Next, let's prepare a sauce in a bowl. Add 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce, half a spoonful of dark soy sauce for color, 1 spoonful of oyster sauce, a small spoonful of salt, a small spoonful of chicken bouillon, a little bit of sugar to enhance the flavor, then add some water. Stir everything with a spoon until well mixed. Prepare a clay pot, add a little cooking oil, then add the pork belly. Stir fry the pork belly until it becomes fragrant and releases its fat. Stir fry until the pork belly curls slightly and the surface turns yellow. Then carefully add the freshly chopped scallions, the aromatic ginger, the pungent garlic, and the fiery chili peppers. Continue to gently stir fry these wonderful ingredients until all of the delightful aromatics truly release their fragrant and enticing essence. Next, carefully add the tender napa cabbage and arrange it ever so slightly within the pan. Then finally add the perfectly fried tofu pieces. Smooth everything out. Then pour in the prepared sauce. There's no need to add extra water here, because the cabbage will release a lot of liquid during cooking. Cover with a lid and bring it to a boil over high heat. Once it comes to a boil, the cabbage will have released its water. Press the fried tofu down so it soaks in the broth. Then cover with the lid again, turn the heat to low, and simmer for about 5 minutes. When the time is up, open the lid. Wow, it smells amazing. The rich aroma fills the air. Now add the remaining chili peppers and sprinkle on the scallion segments. Cover the lid again and let it sit for another 20 seconds. This way, the fried tofu has fully absorbed the broth, making it especially flavorful and delicious. And the cabbage inside has become soft and tender. A tasty tofu and cabbage casserole is now ready. It's rich in nutrients, full of aroma, and goes perfectly with both rice and drinks. A dish like this would cost 58 yuan at a restaurant, but making it at home costs less than 6 yuan. If you like it, be sure to save this recipe and give it a try. If you enjoy my videos, remember to like, follow, comment, and share. Thank you for your support, and see you next time.